Assalamu alaikum students. Today's topic is dehydration of alcohol and carbocation stability. In my previous video I have told the mechanism of dehydration of alcohol, and that is very simple mechanism, and how it is related to carbocation stability. We will discuss over here the percentage of sulfuric acid that we are used as a catalyst in this process in the case of secondary and tertiary carbocation. For example, we are going to take an example of secondary alcohol over here, OH CH3H. It's an secondary alcohol because in this compound OH is attached with the carbon atom, which is further attached with two carbon atoms. Okay, so whenever when OH will remove from here in the form of OH2, then it will result in the formation of carbocation. Let me write carbocation over here minus water, mean we are going to remove water in the presence of what? In the presence of sulfuric acid, right? We will have this positively charged atom and CH3 over here. Okay, so it is a secondary carbocation. We will as take the second example in which we are going to take this tertiary alcohol OH. OH is attached, a hydroxyl group is attached with the carbon atom that is further attached with the 3 carbon atoms, right? Your 3 alkyl groups you can say. Whenever you have sulfuric acid over here, and by the water removal, what will you form? It results in the formation of what? Tertiary carbocation. So now the percentage, keep in mind the removal of water from the particular tertiary alcohol is more rapid as compared to from secondary alcohol. Okay, therefore for secondary alcohol we need more high concentrated sulfuric acid, therefore 75% sulfuric acid we will write over here. In the case of tertiary alcohol we will need only 20% concentrated sulfuric acid. That is because tertiary carbocation, इसके जो मैकेनिज़्म में कार्बोकेटाइन बनता है दैट इज़ टर्शियरी कार्बोकेटाइन, और इसके मैकेनिज़्म में जो कार्बोकेटाइन बनता है दैट इज़ सेकेंडरी कार्बोकेटाइन. तो मीन जितना स्टेबल आपके पास कार्बोकेटाइन होगा आपके रिएक्शन मैकेनिज़्म में बनेगा, उतनी लो परसेंटेज आपके कंसनट्रेटेड सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड की चाहिए होगी. ठीक है, मीन एज वी वर सेइंग दैट सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड इज़ अ डिहाइड्रेटिंग एजेंट. तो मीन इसने वाटर को डिहाइड्रेट करना है इस सिस्टम के अंदर से. जितना इजीली वाटर डिहाइड्रेट हो जाएगा तो उतना ही इजीली आपके मीन उतनी ही लो परसेंटेज का या लो परसेंटेज कंसनट्रेटेड सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड हम यूज़ करेंगे. हाउएवर इन द केस ऑफ सेकेंडरी अल्कोहल वी वर यूजिंग द 75% सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड. दिस इज़ बिकॉज secondary alcohol is less stable as compared to tertiary alcohol, because here there is a creation of secondary carbocation, and in the case of secondary carbocation its electron density is satisfied by only 2 carbon atom. Therefore these are the intermediate that are formed during the dehydration process of these alcohols. Therefore we can say that the percentages of sulfuric acid that we are using here as a catalyst, it will vary. Okay, it will, and finally definitely here you will form this alkene, and here we have different way that we can create the alkene between these carbon atoms, between these carbon atoms, or between these two alkyl group. Okay, so for example I am going to take if we are removing hydrogen from here, we will take this example. So it is an alkene. Hope this is clear to all of you that why we were using these percentages of sulfuric acid for the removal of water. Thank you.